Forgotten Plant, An Amazing Story. Lila was thrilled when her teacher gave her a small potted plant as part of a school project. Water it daily, the teacher instructed. Excited, Lila placed it on her windowsill. For the first few days, she cared for it diligently. But soon, she forgot about it, distracted by games and television. One day, she noticed the plant had wilted. Saddened, Lila realized her neglect had caused its condition. She watered it and promised to do better. Slowly, the plant revived. From then on, Lila never ignored her responsibilities, learning that small actions can have significant consequences. Moral: responsibility fosters growth and care nurtures life. Thank you for watching.